Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you